Good afternoon. My name is Julian Castillo Guerrero, and today I'm going to talk to you guys about why self-disclosure is an important factor when it comes to building a relationship. I am currently a freshman in college and am attending HCC. As a young adult coming out of high school, the transition was kind of hard, not only because it's a new chapter in my life, but mostly because it was kind of hard to adjusting to college life due to the fact that in high school we're basically handed everything and we have someone to help us out along the way. After a few months, I decided that I wanted to study psychology, so I am currently studying as a psychology major. Now that I have told you a little bit about myself, I'm going to explain to you why self-disclosure is an important part of my relationships. Self-disclosure allows one another to not only share information on a deeper level, but it also allows us to get to know the person. Self-disclosure shows them that we're willing to go out of our way to learn about their day and learn about their problems, such as their aspirations, failures, or dreams. It shows them that they're able to trust us in the way that we respect them. Respect not only what they're telling us, but we're there to give them advice and help them out with whatever they're trying to deal with. To me, self-disclosure has not only allowed me to grow as an individual, but it also has allowed me to better manage my relationships. Overall, to me, in order to have a successful relationship with someone, we must be willing to go out of our way, not only in communicating, but also in showing them that we're willing to be there for them in some of the tough times and also in the good times. For me, this topic not only showed me that having a successful relationship can support and motivate you to do more, it also has shown me that we must also have that one person that can help us in the good and the bad times. Thank you and have a wonderful day.